Hey guys, I am Blessing Rotondwa Mujeda and I'm back again with another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to partition your computer. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va monsieur? Or should I say ça va bien? Now, our drive it's local disk C and it's only one drive. And bear with me, I will be using my phone, not the camera or screen recorder. Now on this PC, you right click, and then after right clicking you click manage. Now on manage, you come where it's written disk management. You double click or you open disk management. Now down here you will see the drive you are having and where you want to partition. Now I want to partition this drive. I right click on it and then I say shrink volume. Now it's shrinking my volume for a available space. So we wait for it to shrink the drive. Now, all right, it will depend on the space you want to create. The total size after shrinking is in megabyte. Now how many do I want to shrink? The size available to shrink, it's okay, and the total size is in megabyte. The amount of space that I want to shrink. Now how many megabytes do I have in 1 gig? I've got 1000 megabytes. Okay, now I'm having 500 gig. So then for me to shrink, let me count here. I have got 1 2 3 4. Let me remove it, and then I want maybe somewhere around 200 megabyte. So then if in 1 gig I've got 1000 megabyte, so let me say 25 what's up, is it not typing? Okay guys, it's not typing. Okay, let's change the method. This one will delay me. How let's say 56 1 2 3 4. I bet that is load shedding. Oh, pity me. Oh god. Load shedding just killed me and my video, but okay, let's do this. Shrink the volume. Oh, I'm sorry about that. It's dark in here. Oh my god. I pray that the network doesn't go. Okay, shrink. Here we go. It's shrinking. Can you see though? I bet you can see. Oh, we have shrinked 8 gig. After shrinking, we come and we say new volume. We say next, 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 next. All right, let me close here and see. Look at here, we have got 2 volume.